Presenting SafLink Radiation Alleviator. It can reduce radiation and helps protect your health. When the screen is lit, means that the device is functioning. Let's use the RD9100 radiation detector to do a radiation test. This detector can detect low frequencies from 50 Hz to 200 Hz at one point, and high frequencies from 200 Hz to 1 GHz at 2 points. To ensure the accuracy, the battery used must be between 8 volt and 9.5 volt, and not lower than 8 volt. First, press the on button, set to 2 points, and when the detector detects radiation, the red light will flash on and make a continuous beep sound. We tested different devices, such as mobile phone, computer, power socket, and wiring concealed inside wall. All of them have radiation. Test results have shown that our radiation alleviator successfully reduced radiation. When the detector shows 1, radiation has exceeded 2000 microwatt per square centimeter. More importantly, radiation can cause damage to our skin, such as tissue cells, nerves, and other systems. Electromagnetic field, EMF, can be divided into electric field and magnetic field. Magnetic field will not pass through our body, so it will not be affected by our radiation alleviator. Keep in a dry place after use. Following is the energy test with physical body. To ensure the accuracy of the experiment, there is no wearing of accessories such as gold, watches, and mobile phones. This test uses O-ring test dynamometer to determine the effect of radiation on the strength of our fingers. First, place your thumb and index finger and press hard on the instrument, which will show your current strength value. Now, we will turn on the radiation alleviator, and after 10 seconds, repeat the first step. You'll realize your fingers are stronger. You can also do the O-ring test without using the dynamometer. First, make an O with your thumb and index finger, and then ask your partner to pull the 2 fingers apart using both hands. Remember to use the same strength, and now switch on the radiation alleviator and repeat the first step. You can feel that your fingers are stronger. Next is balancing test. Open your arms to make a T, and then lift one leg. Ask your partner to move one of your arms to lose your balance, while you're trying your best to keep balance. Then, switch on the radiation alleviator. Repeat the action again. Now your body will be better at keeping balance. Now let's do the flexibility test. Put your legs together, bend down, touch your toes with your hands, and remember the distance between your hands and your toes. Then, turn on the radiation alleviator and try again. Your hands are noticeably closer to the toes this time. These tests show the effects of radiation on our bodies. Now let's use the microcirculation microscope to observe the microvascular flow at the end of the finger to understand the effects of radiation on our blood. Put a little baby oil at tip of left hand ring fingernail. Place the finger in position and adjust so the lens touches the skin slightly. After adjusting the focus, the screen will show the current speed of the blood flow. Now, let's turn on the radiation alleviator. We can see that the speed of blood flow is faster. Now let's take this test further by holding your mobile phone with your right hand, and you can see the blood flow is slower. Then, switch on the radiation alleviator, and the blood flow is faster. This shows radiation affects blood flow and will have negative effects on our body. We often come into contact with all kinds of radiation equipment every day, and long-term exposure will damage our health. Now, let's start using radiation alleviator and live a healthy life.